Imagine picking your next vacation destination by just scrolling through the planet. Well, now it's possible with Spatial Earth. It's a new app by Atio that brings Google Earth to your living room with your Apple Vision Pro. This app invites you on a captivating journey across the globe from the comfort of your home. Powered by photorealistic map tiles, Spatial Earth offers an immersive exploration experience, allowing you to navigate through the entire globe, including vast landscapes, over 2,300 cities, and natural wonders in stunning 3D. Whether you're a curious explorer, they say, or a student eager to learn, or even simply looking to experience the world from a new perspective, Spatial Earth is your gateway to discovering the planet's breathtaking diversity and beauty. You can zoom into any city and see all the sights in a couple of movements. The app can be used not only for fun, but for educational purposes. You can see famous places and buildings in surprising detail. Spatial Earth is optimized for Vision OS, so it works smoothly and provides a clear view of thousands of cities. Unfortunately, once you zoom in, you can only see whatever fits in a square and can't place yourself in a busy street, but it's still pretty impressive, and you know they'll give us updates later on. You'll have to pay $4.99 for the privilege of using Spatial Earth, but it's available right now from the App Store. How cool is this? Xbox is expanding its accessibility footprint with the Proteus controller, a modular gamepad created by BioWave as part of the Designed for Xbox program. The Proteus controller is a group of palm-sized cubes that can be connected to each other in a wide variety of configurations. They have interchangeable faceplates that include standard controller buttons, along with analog sticks and a directional pad. This means that players can set up the Proteus controller to be used in individualized ways, in one hand, flat on a desktop as part of a traditional gamepad with palm grips, connected to a joystick, or any other setup that you can come up with. The Proteus controller is available for pre-order right now at a discounted price of $255. It is expected to ship sometime in the fall. The full kit includes 2 power cubes, 2 analog cubes with Hall effect sensors, which is awesome, 1 half cube, and 2 spacers, plus the swappable peripherals. There's a D-pad, left trigger, right trigger, 2 single button options, and of course your XYAB diamond, and a mini analog stick along with the Xbox Home grouping. It also comes with left and right handles to create a traditional gamepad, and socket and plug covers featuring BioWave's cute blue beastie. A USB-C charging cable and Bluetooth dongle are included in the package. BioWave is selling the Proteus controller in tiers, and it has just 150 available at the $255 VIP price. After that, it'll have 500 kits available at $268, then 1,000 kits available at $284, and the standard price of the Proteus controller is going to be $300 when it's released. As evidenced by the built-in Xbox Home button, the Proteus controller was backed by Microsoft, and at launch it'll only work with Xboxes and of course Windows 10 and 11 PCs. It will not work with the PS5 or Switch, at least not at first. The BioWave team says it can't verify that the Proteus controller will work with the Steam Deck, but they're hopeful that it will. Head on over to Microsoft's website and you can pre-order yours right now. And happening in this week's What The? A massive sinkhole stretching over 100 feet and 30 feet deep opened up in an Illinois park, swallowing a light pole in the middle of a field and leaving a gaping deep hole in its wake. The terrifying moment was caught on a nearby surveillance camera showing an area between 2 soccer and football fields open up around a light pole. sending it tumbling down and releasing plumes of smoke at Gordon Moore Park in the city of Alton, located about 18 miles south of St. Louis, Missouri. The hole is approximately 100 feet wide and 30 feet deep, according to Alton Parks and Recreation Director Michael Haynes. He said it looks like something right out of a movie. It looks like a bomb went off. Luckily, no one was on the field at the time. The sinkhole appears to be the result of an underground mine. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on Google, iTunes, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy. Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.